We've been through a lot in 8.5 years, and we finally made it to this destination. We were married, for those of you all that don't know, we were married on June the 6th, so we've been married 8 days. Woo! And I wanted to let him know that he is very, 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 very special to me. He knows a very, very special part in my heart and in
This
my life.
video.
And with that being
It's already
said,
on?
I have some ladies here with me. All right. And I have a special dance for you. All right. Because I want you to know, above all, you are my star. All right. All right, and now we have the bride's crew.
What's that?
Once again, we are having technical difficulties. Please give us a few minutes to correct this problem. We thank you for your patience.
Keep your legs loose.
She lighted up, and the stars went shooting higher. But think about you, don't take much to see your true power. And it's all about you. I'm in love with all that you do, and it feels so right. I don't think I'm just a man. You come feel the deep of life. You come feel my sky. You be my
Thank you. It went out, they were focused a couple times. I don't know why. Yes.